Hey guys! I have received another 2 pairs of hosiery, this time from a brand, not a person. However, I was not paid to do this. I don't have any commission or anything like that, so nothing will be swaying my opinion, just like nothing does before whenever anyone else would send me tights. So I'm just throwing that out there. So I was emailed by a brand called Cozy Wow, and they offered to send me 2 free pairs of tights. I got to pick out the colors, so I picked out the black and I picked out a flesh tone or sort of a nude looking color because those are the classics. I tend to wear those the most often. So I will go ahead and take these out of the package, and I am sure you guys will let me know what you think. These feel quite thick. And I'm just looking around, it looks like no reinforced toe or anything like that. And these are certainly not packaged in the way that most pairs of hosiery I get are. Usually they're kind of wrapped around cardboard, like folded around it, so to speak, not having the cardboard actually in the leg of a pair. Yeah, these are going to be thick. These are going to be probably almost opaque, if they're not completely opaque. But they do feel quite soft. I feel like if the weather was really, really cold out and you just wanted to cover up, then these might be good. They got a lot of stretch to them, if I remember right. Yeah, 84% nylon, 16% spandex. So these are probably going to feel a little bit tight, a little bit like wearing a pair of Spanx, just a little bit, not a lot like say a pair of full support hose, which I've learned about recently in my other videos. So I'm going to tear open the nude pair and just show you guys the color, because there's going to be no difference in quality in these. It's going to be exactly the same, just a different color, but I figure why not open it and let you guys check out the color with me. These are actually quite fair. They're also a little bit unusual because they have, at least what to me in my lighting looks like sort of a neutral undertone. Usually you'll kind of see pinks in flesh colored hosiery, but these sort of have a neutral undertone, which I like because my legs naturally have a neutral undertone, or I should say all of my skin naturally has a neutral undertone. So I am excited to go ahead and throw these on and try them on for you, and I know you guys will tell me exactly what you think. So I will get back to you after I do my little, I don't know what you'd call it, walking around in them, and then I will tell you what I think of them. So I will see you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. So I am trying out this different point of view again rather than me just fiddling with tights in my hands, so you can kind of see them on my legs and so I can talk about them a little bit while actually wearing them for you. So these are, I'm not sure if the camera is picking this up or not completely opaque. There is some skin peeking through, especially at the knees where more give to the fabric tends to occur just from the movement in that area. And these are very quite true to the name. They are soft, they are indeed cozy. There is a slight bit of support, nothing crazy like a pair of full support hose, but they give you enough oomph because there is a little bit of spandex in them. I want to say 16% if I remember correctly. I know I literally just read that off the package, but I have so many pairs of hosiery that numbers just keep flying through my head all the time when comparing them. But these are very soft, they're very easy to put on, especially for being quite a thick pair of tights. Generally, thicker tights comes more time trying to get them on, and these were not a problem. So if I were definitely on the market to buy myself some tights and I wanted them to be close to opaque, this would definitely be it. So I will be putting the link in the description along with a 5% off coupon code that I do not receive commission off of. This is just me enjoying what a company has sent me. I don't make a penny. My payment was literally the tights. And I never made an agreement just to like them to get them. I have had another company reach out before trying to get me to become an affiliate where I would make money, but the product that I was sent I didn't care for. I told them I never wanted to review it and it will never appear on my channel. So thank you Cozy Wow for sending me a quality product that I don't mind actually putting on my channel, because if I didn't like it, it would not be here. And thank you to all of those who keep sending me hosiery. You guys are sending me so many, I cannot keep up with the amount that I'm getting. So you guys will see plenty of hosiery videos in the near future, likely in the month of December, just because they keep coming. So I super appreciate all of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You learned something, or you just like to watch me talk about tights. Then I will hopefully see you guys in the next pair soon. Bye!